Hey everybody, just a quick update on the 1586. I just got done pressure washing it off, and I plan to get some purple power to get all the grease off of the top of the transmission in the motor. But for now I got the rough off of it, and over here I got the hood and the side sheets, and in the next week I plan to sand these, prime them, and start painting them. And I found decals for it on eBay. I'm gonna put them on it. But yeah, I got it cleaned up pretty good. See, I missed a few places, like right there. And for those of y'all who might have these tractors and don't know this trick, you can run this tractor off of one battery. I'll make a video on that one day. But I just got my new solenoid wired in to the starter. The other one, the post broke off in it. And there we go. Let me get up on here. Well, I gotta give it some juice first. That would make sense. Ain't that nice? Used to, every time I wanted to start it, I had to fiddle with the post on it, and I'd finally get it started. But thank y'all for watching. Leave any comments on what mods you'd like me to do to it once I get everything else done. Y'all have a good one.